Good afternoon. Today I am working on the Chevy Silverado. We are doing the low beam headlight bulb. This is super easy. The only tools that you will need for this, well, you don't really need tools. You need a pair of gloves and the light bulb. It's an H11 bulb. And we're gonna come in here and it's this cap right here. We're gonna pop that off. And just to clarify, this top one, that's our low beam. This bottom one, that is our high beam. When you do this, you can also go through the wheel well to do this if it's a little too fiddly, but I can get to it just fine. There's a couple screws and a plug right here. For the high beam, you might want to go this route, but for the low beam, I'm just gonna go in through here. So this cap right here is the weather sealing cap. It is pretty firm to get off. So you gotta give that a good pull to get that out. So once we have that out, this is what the bulb looks like in there. It's the H11. I'll put a link in the description to grab one on Amazon. I think the best way I can describe getting this out is rotate the bottom of this fixture towards the engine. So I went this way, and then you can pull the whole fixture out. And I'm gonna put gloves on before removing that. So now that I have gloves on, our clip is here. It's gonna be a two-hand process. So you push the clip in here and then pull apart. So I'm grabbing the clip with my thumb here, and then I'm gonna gently pull, and we have released the bulb. And then we're gonna grab when you go to put the new bulb in, the orientation is the clip is facing outwards, and you'll hear it click into place, and then it can go back into the slot. Now when you're lining this up, it's actually super helpful to look through the lens to see the bulb line up and go into the proper spot. It may be a little hard to see, but there's a little tab right here. Right there. You can look from the outside, see the tabs line up. The tricky thing about this is you have to push firmly from the back and twist away from the engine, the opposite way that we pulled it out. And you should feel it click into place, and then we just have to put our rubber gasket, which is a firm press on. Then when you get this rubber gasket on into place, go around the whole thing and press firmly. And that's how you do a headlight on a Chevy Silverado. If this was helpful, please subscribe, drop a like, and let me know. And we'll see you next time.